outcome of a project. So we build a project like a Netflix clone. So like one of the how we can say one of OTT platform we implemented by using Python Flask framework. For database we used a XAMPP control panel, XAMPP MySQL DB. Why? Because in the sense we are not taking any kind of servers, we are not purchasing anything. So that's the main reason here we use that taking of that XAMPP to store the data. To implement this project, we use a Python Flask framework to get a better UI. Okay, so these are the genres we have. Here we have a two main key roles. One is user, another one is admin. So user is going to do perform the actions like register, then sign up and sign in. Then after they can browse the movies and they can make it as a watch list. So while coming to admin can see the users, manage the users, as well as they can add, delete and view the update that modified that movies, as well as they can see which genre movies are playing most. Okay, so I'm going to make it first. I'm going to create a user. So username, mail ID. So with password we are going to do minimum 6 lengths. Enter, create account. So here I created account, so it's got login. So here we have a genre. So just I'm going to click on this movie. Okay, so here it is video.
Premiere
So
on
you
it.
can see, we can see here the movie is playing. So for suppose I want to see one more genre, like we have, so this one, for suppose I am going to click on this. So click on play. Okay, so this is the user performing tasks. So they are not going to do perform nothing. So they can add to that wish list. They can add the movies to their wish list. Okay, so we can see in the wish list also. So what are the movies added? Okay, so they can remove from the wish list. So if you click on wish list again, nothing is there. So now we are going to log out from a user. So now we are going to make a login as a admin. For admin, we created a static login credentials for admin because he is admin, so they have a static credentials. Okay, so most watched genres is documentary. So admin, what the admin can do, so they can add movie. Now I'm going to add movie title as Hulk, the Incredible Hulk. Use how the brutal. Okay, genre. So it comes under action. So it's in 2012. So rating is 9. So it's 3 hours 2 minutes. So thumbnail URL. So I'm going to check for here Hulk thumbnail. Okay. So I'm going to check copy image address. I'm going to add this image address. So Hulk is kept. So now we'll go to YouTube. So I'm going to check with any kind of Hulk. So for suppose Hulk movie. Okay, so here we have this. I'm going to share, copy, close, and adding this URL and add movie. Okay, so here the admin can view that. Okay, so Hulk when it started, so click on play. So it's playing the, so here we added that YouTube link, so it's showing that YouTube link. Okay, so and we can see the manage users. So who are the users we have, and we can see the list of movies what the admin added, and they can delete and this is the dashboard. Okay, so now I'm going to make a logout as admin. So we will check whether the added movie is going to display in admin or not, the user or not. Okay, gmail.com, password 123456, login. Okay, so here it's showing that Hulk is there. So click. So user is going to watch the Hulk. So it's playing the video. Okay, so we can see the description also about this movie. So the Incredible Hulk Dr. Banner introduced how the gamma radiations change the person brutally. Okay, and we can add to our wish list also. So in wish list we can check. Okay, and home. So this is the final outcome of a project. So to get more information like coding and all, so contact support. Thank you for watching.